I just finished filming a skincare review. I reviewed the VT Cosmetics Sika products, so it should be up by now. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'll leave a link to it either up here or down there. Anyway, today is Good Friday and it doesn't feel like a public holiday at all because I'm just gonna stay home all day. We actually planned to go to Malaysia a couple of weeks back, but you know, obviously we can't go anywhere right now. To be honest, I really wanted to go to the supermarket because I asked on Instagram yesterday like what I should have for lunch, and you guys had so many cool ideas, and so I really wanted to go out and like get ingredients, and I also want to try new things, but at the same time I have a lot of ingredients at home. I want to get coconut oil for my golden milk, and I also want to get more soy milk and more sugar for my Thai Kunai latte. But I don't know, I heard that you have to queue outside before going in, and I am a little bit paranoid about stepping out of my house right now. It's not like I never step out of my house for the past couple of days. I have been going downstairs for a run, but that's pretty much it. I haven't actually like taken a bath out. So yeah, today I'm wearing a new pair of contact lens and I'm really not used to it. Olens is so nice. They send me so many contact lenses almost every month and I just cannot finish using them. But yeah, this is the one I'm using today, which is in the April package that they sent me, and I was attracted to it because the shade of this is coral brown. It's a little bit smaller, the diameter is a little bit smaller than the contact lens that I used to wear, so I'm a little bit not used to it, but I do like it. I feel like it gives it a different kind of vibe. I do want to try the other contact lenses, maybe like a green one, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I was actually thinking between this and a green one, but the green one is even smaller and I'm just not used to like smaller diameter contact lenses. I'm feeling a little bit weird today, like self-conscious and insecure. It's such a stupid feeling. And I'm really annoyed. I don't know why. I feel like because I kept staying at home for the past couple of days and I have been eating a lot, it's just like my subconsciousness made me feel like I'm gaining a lot of weight, and I just feel like my face is really fat right now. I'm not sure if it's just all in my head or is it reality, so it's really annoying and it's making me feel really like self-conscious to be on camera. So yeah, now I'm just going to start editing the video, and yeah, today's vlog is just gonna be like a Good Friday vlog, me at home doing stuff. Also, I uploaded my what I eat in a day, or rather what I eat in 3 days vlog. It seems to be doing really well, so thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. I love that vlog so much as well. I think it's just very calming and I didn't use any music, so it's kind of like ASMR. Today I also cooked a couple of things which will be in this vlog as well. God, the jajang just now was really nice. I told myself to not eat the entire plate, but I did. Anyway, since I have a lot of time today, I thought I would share with you guys this new hair products that I have been using. So these are mineral shampoo and conditioner, and I also have the hair mask. So I was sent this, I think, a week ago, and so I started using it. As you guys know, I'm really bad at taking good care of my hair, which is why one of my New Year's resolution is to have a hair care routine. And so when this company contacted me, I was like, sure, let me try your products. I haven't gotten the chance to try the hair mask, but I have been using the shampoo and conditioner every single day, and so far I really like it. I do feel like it makes my hair feels very healthy and smooth, and it also smells really nice. It's actually fragrance free, but it contains this natural aroma. It says aroma natural bracket orange, so I'm thinking that did they just put orange inside, like I don't know, like orange peel or orange orange inside, and then you know the smell is natural. It's not like essential oils, because if it's essential oil then they will have to state that they just put in the essential oil, but they didn't. Also, the scent is very mild. The conditioner also contains macadamia oil, which also smells really nice, so it has like that nutty smell along with the orange, and it's just a very mild scent, and so I really like it. I think this one might contain, yeah, this one also contains the orange scent, so it has a very nice fruity scent, but it's not very overpowering, so I do like it so far, and I'm interested to see if my hair will continue feeling more and more healthy and smooth throughout the weeks. I do have to do a review of this in I think 3 weeks time, so three or 4 weeks time, so yeah, I still have time to try the products out. In addition to the products, they also sent me this gold brush. It's so big. I actually requested for this because I saw it on their website and I was like, oh my god, this looks amazing. Unfortunately, I would say that I'm not really a fan of it. I'm not sure if you can see, but I feel like the bristles are really short and my hair is really thick, so it couldn't reach like all the way in, so when I brush my hair I feel like it's only brushing the outer part of my hair. So I haven't actually been using this a lot, but it does look really nice. I mean, it's so big.
Oh no, yeah, yeah. Don't need no proof. Stars out the roof. 만약 원하면 다 가질 수 있다.